How to invest in cryptocurrency for beginners. In theory, cryptocurrency is a virtual currency that's held and distributed online. In reality, it's a digital asset that may gain or lose value in a similar fashion to stocks and bonds. Whereas a cash currency incorporates paper bills and metal coins, a cryptocurrency uses a virtual coin, token, or unit. Bitcoin is by far the largest and most popular cryptocurrency system in the world. In fact, some financial experts define any cryptocurrency that's not Bitcoin as altcoin. In theory, cryptocurrency is a virtual currency that's held and distributed online. Whereas a cash currency incorporates paper bills and metal coins, a cryptocurrency uses a virtual coin, token, or unit. You can purchase a coin/token/unit from any company that facilitates cryptocurrency exchanges. And you can trade, buy, or sell with other people who own crypto, not unlike stock trading in corporate America. What makes cryptocurrency distinct from standard currency, besides the fact there's no physical cash, is that cryptocurrency is decentralized. There's no central authority that governs the currency. For example, the Federal Reserve manages the national currency of the United States, influencing prices, interest rates, and the overall supply of money being circulated in the economy. Cryptocurrency has no such oversight. However, a cryptocurrency is generally maintained by a system. The system, which is managed by a cryptocurrency company, tracks all the units of cryptocurrency and their owners. The system will also determine when new crypto units can be created. Alright, so that might sound a little bit like the Federal Reserve. But cryptocurrency systems have no central location or server where units are stored. There are no virtual banks. Bitcoin is by far the largest and most popular cryptocurrency system in the world. In fact, some financial experts define any cryptocurrency that's not Bitcoin as altcoin. That's a testament to Bitcoin's dominance. How does cryptocurrency work? You might be wondering, what gives a cryptocurrency unit its value? For most assets, the value is determined by market factors. Cryptocurrency values are also tied to the marketplace, but in a different way. There's no physical asset that's affected by the local economy. And the value isn't tied to corporate profits. The value of a cryptocurrency unit is entirely dependent on whether or not people want to buy cryptocurrency units. The value of cryptocurrency is based on nothing but consumer interest in buying cryptocurrency. If lots of people are buying crypto, then the value will rise. If people stop buying crypto, then the value will fall. This is a head-scratching concept for both beginning and veteran investors. But it's not such a crazy idea to high-risk investors who frequently trade in volatile assets. A volatile asset is an asset that may experience large and rapid changes in value. In the same vein, cryptocurrency can yield high returns if an investor takes advantage of marketplace surges. What do you need to invest in cryptocurrency? While the idea of cryptocurrency can be daunting to beginner investors, the requirements to get started are minimal. If you want to learn how to invest in cryptocurrency, you only need personal identification documents, bank account information, secure internet connection. That's it. It is possible to purchase cryptocurrency through a stockbroker as well. In this case, most of your personal and financial information will be on file already. Now that you have what you need, let's start investing. Tips to know before investing in cryptocurrency. Here are a couple of important things you should know before investing in cryptocurrency. Capital gains tax. For tax purposes, cryptocurrency is considered an asset, like a stock or property. When you sell crypto and make a profit, you'll have to pay capital gains tax on what you earned. Keep this in mind when you're budgeting for the year and planning for taxes. Short-term investing. Because cryptocurrency is a volatile asset, many investors would consider it to be a short-term investment rather than a long-term one. It's possible that in the future, cryptocurrency may become a stable investment and that long-term holdings will yield significant profit. Since cryptocurrency values have been decreasing, you might have a better chance of making a profit by timing the market. How to invest in cryptocurrency. In 3 steps. If you've decided that you're willing to take a risk on crypto, you might be asking yourself, how do I invest in cryptocurrency? Every cryptocurrency is a little bit different, but assuming you want to purchase for profit. Let's cover the steps for how to start cryptocurrency investing for currencies like Bitcoin and Litecoin. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Start purchasing cryptocurrency. Store your cryptocurrency in a wallet. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. First, you need to pick an exchange to buy from, like choosing a broker for stocks. After selecting which exchange you want to start investing in cryptocurrency with, you will be able to make an account with them. Start purchasing cryptocurrency. These exchanges enable you to purchase crypto with your debit card. Typically, you're able to choose between different cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. A single coin might be valued at thousands of dollars. However, most exchanges allow you to buy a fraction of a coin, which is far more affordable for first-time investors. Just like a stockbroker, an exchange will charge fees for every transaction you make. Store your cryptocurrency in a wallet. Once you've purchased a unit of crypto, it'll be added to your wallet. Not your actual wallet, of course, but a virtual wallet that you'll receive when you open your account with an exchange. The wallet will hold the codes for all your cryptocurrency. There are software wallets and hardware wallets. A software wallet is just a software program that holds your crypto. You need it for active trading, and you'll typically get one when you open an account with an exchange. A hardware wallet is a physical device that holds crypto. It looks like a USB drive, and it's more secure than a software wallet, but it's not necessary unless you're buying a huge portion of crypto. 3 best cryptocurrencies for beginner investors. Before cryptocurrency investing, it is essential to know the types. There are many different types of cryptocurrency systems that you can invest in. Bitcoin is arguably the grandfather of all crypto. It has been around for over 10 years and it's the largest cryptocurrency system in the world, with a market capitalization of about $128 billion. Here are some of the other cryptocurrency you can buy. Bitcoin is a great starting place for any beginner. Every currency exchange supports Bitcoin, which means that you'll know what you're buying into. Bitcoin is merely a form of digital cash. You can use it as a means to exchange currency and value, which gives it a competitive advantage. It's a cryptocurrency, but the main focus is on purchasing applications without having to pay a middleman. This cryptocurrency is primarily used to store private data. An alternative to Ethereum, it's more energy efficient and is thus less expensive.